Welcome, kids! Today we are going to learn about the letter K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is capital K and this is lowercase letter K. The sound of letter K is K, 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 K. What words have this sound? Can you guess? Come learn with me. King. K for king. Keys. K for keys. Kite. K for kite. Koala. K for koala. Kiwi fruit. K for kiwi fruit. Cake. K for cake. Kind. K for kind. Kitten. K for kitten. This kitten wants you to like the video. Cannon. K for cannon, kettle. K for kettle. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have learned a lot about letter K. Subscribe to my channel. Tada, bye bye.